Hey guys, welcome to Everything Apple. I thought I'd do a review on Dolphin browser, which is a new application that just came out. Android users were fortunate enough to have this as an application. My friend had it, she showed it to me. I thought it was a very cool application. It finally came out on the iPhone about a week ago. It's a pretty neat application. I installed it and I'm actually enjoying it. It would be this one right here, the little green one. Got a picture of a dolphin. When you click on it, it takes you to this. It's their homepage. They call it speed dial. I'm not sure why. Maybe you can always add one right here with the little plus sign. It lets you go to Twitter, Facebook, etc. Now with this application, what it does is you can actually drag to the side and it takes you to bookmarks. And then you can drag to the side and it lets you do full screen, lets you download. It allows you to clear the data, change the settings, and then it has gestures. Now when you click on gestures, it shows you what the gestures look like. It's got a forward, it's got a back, it's got a refresh, and then a few things that I added. For example, Facebook that I made look like an F, YouTube that looks like a Y, the G that looks like that's supposed to be for Google.com. Now let's give it a look. Let's go to Facebook. So I'm gonna click on the little gesture finger, put F, takes me to Facebook. Now at the bottom, if you notice, it has front back. It's got the little finger that makes that's for like the gestures, and it's got like a little bookmark. And just like in Safari, it's got your bookmarks, and it's got multiple pages, so you can do a new page. But I kind of find that to be redundant because they actually have the little plus sign up here, which does the same thing. It's just like if you use your Mac, it lets you switch in and out from one to the other. It lets you close the window down. But let's say, for example, you go to GameStop.com. GameStop. Now you could always type it in. They'll go to Google. You can enter. You can find it located, and there it is. But let's say you go to this site constantly or very often. You click on the little square with the arrow and you create a gesture. Now let's just call it GS and we'll save it. It says it's going to override Google, so let's change it to maybe something else. Let's create a gesture and let's call it ST for stop. We'll save it. Okay, so now we're going to go back to let's test it out. Go back to Facebook. Now let's go to ST. And there you see that it took me to GameStop again. It's a pretty neat application. If a lot of you are looking for a new browser to use on your iPhone, iPod Touch, this is probably one of the good ones. They have tons of them out there. This is probably the nicest one I found. If you're not very fond of the Safari application. I use my phone at work often, so this is a very nice way to go through the applications or to the websites very quickly, and it allows you to open up multiple windows easily instead of you having to do this and switch like you would in Safari. You can just click on the tabs, and that's so much faster. Definitely much more useful. If you want to look for a new browser, look for this one. It's called Dolphin Browser. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I'd probably give it a 5 out of 5 if I had to rate it. Share this video, like my video. Check out my other channel, guys. VanishC099 for funny videos, and all games A to Z. That's where I have all my video game reviews. Feel free to look at those up. I'll have that information on the description. If it's not in the description, you can always look into the primary channel and my channel. Okay guys, well, if you haven't already subscribed, let me know what you think by commenting on this video. Thanks guys, bye.